aka, stay in your lane and keep your eye on the prize. AKA is doing a lot of preaching lately and we're putting on our best Sunday clothes ready for the sermon. The musician tweeted a series of messages about being kind to people, staying in your lane and keeping your eye on the prize. On his Insta stories, AKA detailed an incident where he stepped in to help someone who was in jail. He said he was angry because the guy didn't even phone him to say thank you, even though his own friends couldn't gather the cash, and turned to AKA. After his vent, AKA said the situation got him tight but he was okay and moving on. And judging by these messages, the Super Mega is all about them positive vibes.